Hello and welcome to the How to View Your Proof of Delivery Log portion of the Privacy Data Systems video library. The Proof of Delivery Log gives you certainty that your secure message was received. We refer to a secure message as an e-package. With the Proof of Delivery Log, you can track status and verification of delivery for all e-packages that you send. We will start on the dashboard page by selecting My ePackages, then select ePackage Outbox from the drop-down list. In the Account Outbox, you will find the View Log option in the Delivery Log column. Click the View Log link to view the Proof of Delivery Log. The Proof of Delivery Log displays the date and time stamping and description of all recipient interactions with your ePackage, including when they viewed and downloaded attached files. From here, you can also print the Proof of Delivery Log.